Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing ingredients that you can add to your apple cider vinegar and turmeric to get that flawless, glowing, smooth, younger and a beautiful skin without makeup. Yep. Okay, so all right, so this is actually very simple. The ingredients are going to be very simple to get. Okay, so don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe and share, and let's go. Okay guys, so let me show you what you're gonna add to your turmeric and your apple cider vinegar to get that baby face, to change your face overnight. Yeah, this is literally very healthy for your skin and it helps your skin glow a whole lot. So we're gonna be needing turmeric as one of the main ingredients. So turmeric helps so much to remove all of the blemishes on the skin, aid the skin to brighten up, and it also helps to remove age spots. Yeah, so we're gonna be taking 1 spoon of turmeric. That's like a teaspoon of turmeric. Now you can actually use fresh turmeric. I have fresh turmeric here. This is my fresh turmeric, but I decided to use the dry one because this stained a whole lot. Yeah, okay, so what I'm gonna be adding here is honey. Now you have to get an organic honey to make this ingredient work like magic. Okay, this is actually gonna be very effective because honey helps to moisturize the skin, and it also helps to soften the skin, allowing product to get into the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting 1 teaspoon of the honey here, and then we'll stir it up with the turmeric. Constant stirring up is going to mix. Okay, so that's it. This is what we got here. And now we would be having our apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar does a whole lot of miracle on the skin. It helps to brighten up the skin. It helps so much to remove pigments, and it also helps to remove dark spots. Apple cider vinegar works in removing age spots. It also removes fine lines. Yeah, so we're going to be putting about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into this. Now when you're buying your apple cider vinegar, you have to buy the one that contains the mother in it and the one that is actually that is organic. Okay, so after that, we're equally going to be putting in some yogurt. Now yogurt contains the lactic acid, and it helps so much to glow the skin. It helps so much to polish up the skin, and it helps to close up large pores, removing fine lines, removing wrinkles, therefore making your skin look like a baby skin. Okay, so we're going to be putting about 3 tablespoons of that, and we're going to stir. And this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Okay, so the next ingredient is going to be tomato. Now tomato is one natural ingredient that helps to close up a large pores. It helps to rejuvenate and polish up the skin, and it helps to make your skin really smooth and healthy. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be cutting the tomato. And then we're going to be putting it into blender. Now we're not going to be putting any water at all. And then we're going to blend. Then we're going to be putting the tomato into this mix. And then we stir it really well. So this amazing and superb 4 ingredients is everything for this, okay? So mix it really well. Okay guys, so for this you can actually use it at least 2 to 3 times in a week for a baby skin, for a baby face, and it's going to help you to glow, nourish your skin, remove fine lines and age spots. So let's go and apply it on our face, okay? Okay, so here is my turmeric plus apple cider vinegar, and I've actually added all what I want to add, and this is what it looks like. So amazing, beautiful. And you have to dab your face with water. So I've actually dabbed my face with some water and I wet my face. Okay, so I'm going to be scrubbing using my hand, because if I use my brush it's gonna stain my brush, so I don't want it to stain. So I'm gonna be using my hand to just scrub it off. Okay, so a generous application of this is going to help also. Now when you finish scrubbing, you would have to reapply this. Okay, you have to apply this. Okay guys, so after applying this you have to wait for at least 3 minutes, okay? And immediately you want to wash this, you have to wash with a soap, okay? Because turmeric actually stains. Now when you wash it with a soap, the real complexion of your skin would pop out. It would, you know, it will help to actually fade up your dark spots, pigments, make your skin look superb, like I tell you, trust me on this. Okay, so I'll wait for a little while and I'm gonna go wash it off, and I'll be right back. Actually very amazing. I love the feeling on my skin. It is so superb, especially, you know, when I use my hand to massage it through. It feels really good and I love it. Okay guys, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.